Hi, this is Josh from Clay Square to Infinity. Today we're going to go over the fireplace planning steps. Fireplaces have their own unique features and challenges. So here are 5 steps to make the process a little easier. First, consider the fireplace codes. Fireplaces have a set of regulations that limit what materials can be used for the front face and the hearth. Handmade ceramic tiles are a non-combustible material, which makes it a perfect material from every fireplace. Number 2, consider the presence of your fireplace. The fireplace is a major architectural feature of your home and sets both the mood and style of the room. It can either blend in with your environment or it can be the center of attention. I recommend taking the time to explore fireplaces, both past and present, to determine what style fits your home best. Number 3, determine the style of your fireplace. There are 3 distinct styles that you can follow: historical, regional, or your own personal expression. Look at the style of your existing home. Is it Victorian, arts and crafts, or maybe a mid-century? You have a chance to keep with the period or move into a different direction. Trim patterns and accent tiles are a great way to add personal flair to a traditional design. Number 4, hiring an architect or designer or doing it on your own. Designers and architects are great assets when building your home projects. They know a lot of little details that you would never think about. Plan on setting aside 15% of your budget for hiring an architect or designer. To do it on your own as a DIY project, know your limits. If you're a patient person and are keen on detail, tile setting is going to be a great project to take on. Number 5, allow time to design. Once you have chosen the presence and style of your fireplace, start playing with the tile. Grid paper is also a great tool to help visualize the final result. From there, you can take the measurements and figure out how much tile you will need to order. You can go to our website and order online or call us up if you have any extra questions. We'd be happy to help with you. We'll talk to you soon.